Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with y'all how y'all can do pedicure at home. All the links to the products and tools which I've used in this video will be mentioned in the description box. So don't forget to check that out. Now let's get started.
You will need this pedicure tub. If you don't have this, then you can use a regular tub and put hot water in it. Then I'm using Nature Essence tan removal cream. This cream helps to remove your tan. So if your feet are tan, then you can definitely use this. Apply this, wait for 10 minutes and then wash it with cold water. I have switched on the machine and then I'm putting the bath salt. I'm using lavender bath salt. This helps to relax your muscles. Then I'm using a body wash. You all can use any body wash. I'm using Palmolive body wash and just adding 2 pumps of it. Then I'm soaking my feet in it. Now just wait for 5 minutes. Once I'm done with it, then I'll apply some cuticle cream. And then I will push my cuticle back like this. Now I'm using a filer and I'm going to file my nails. Whenever you're filing, make sure that you are just filing it in a one direction and not back and forth. Then I'm taking this cuticle cutter and I'm just going to cut my cuticles. You have to be very careful while doing this step, otherwise you can cut yourself. Now I'm taking this scrub and I'm going to scrub my feet thoroughly. Scrub your feet for 5 to 10 minutes. Then I'm taking this brush and I'm adding some body wash in it and I'm going to brush it all over my feet. I'm using this foot filer and I'm going to file the heel. I have added some body lotion and I'm filing it like this. You have to be very gentle. Doing this step helps to remove any dry or dead skin from your heel, and this is the final look after the pedicure.
If you like this video, then give this video a big thumbs up, comment, share and subscribe. It will mean a lot to me. Till then, take care. Bye.